Hello once again, dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to our news broadcast. First, a quick look at the major headlines tonight. Six patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 tests carried out today in this information. Tour to development sites in northern Red Sea region. China announces 2 military exercises near Taiwan. U.S. Senate approves bill to fight climate change and cut drug costs. In our domestic news, announcement from the Ministry of Health. 6 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today at testing station in the Central Region. On the other hand, 13 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospital in the Central Region have recovered fully and have been discharged from the facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,919, while the number of deaths stands at 103. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 10,124. Ministry of Health, Asmara, 8 August 2022. Nationals residing in various countries conducted tour to development and historical sites in the northern Red Sea region. The tour, that has been organized by the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, was attended by nationals from North America and African countries. In the course of their tour, the nationals visited Gahtalai Dam, Plastic and Tin Factory, northern Red Sea region, the museum, Massawa Airport and Port, as well as the historical sites of Adulis and Sahaba Mosque, and were provided briefings by heads of the projects and experts. Expressing satisfaction for visiting the development projects and historical sites, the tour participants called for organizing similar programs for nationals coming to their homeland. According to the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the region, similar tour programs was organized in July of this year. Commendable soil and water conservation activities is being conducted through student summer work program in the Tsene subzone. Engineer Marhawi Gabra Mikhail, soil and water conservation expert at the Ministry of Agriculture branch in the subzone, said that over 350 students and 12 agricultural experts are participating in the summer work program. So far, 8,558 meters of terraces has been constructed and hundreds of holes have been prepared for planting tree seedlings. Commending the strong participation of the students in the program, Mr. Surafiel Keflagergish, head of the education in the subzone, called on parents to encourage their children that are participating in the campaign. Mr. Surafiel said that the set-out program is to construct 18,000 meters of terraces, plant 1,800 tree seedlings, as well as other activities related to soil and water conservation. Those are domestic news. Please stay tuned for the international right after a short break. The Chinese military announced a new round of drills, keeping up the pressure on Taiwan's defenses over Nancy Pelosi's visit. China has announced more military drills in the seas and airspace around Taiwan, a day after the scheduled end of exercises launched in protest against U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's visit to the island. China's Eastern Theater Command said on Monday that it would conduct joint drills focusing on anti-submarine and sea assault operations. Pelosi's visit to Taiwan last week infuriated China, which responded with test launches of ballistic missiles over Taipei for the first time, as well as cutting some communication lines with Washington. The duration and precise location of the latest drills were not yet known, but Taiwan has already eased flight restrictions near the 6 zones where China had carried out its previous exercises. Democrats in the United States have passed a sweeping $430 billion bill intended to fight climate change, lower drug prices, and raise some corporate taxes. The package, known as the Inflation Reduction Act, passed the Senate on Sunday by a 51-50 party line vote, with Vice President Kamala Harris casting the tie-breaking ballot. The legislation contains a clean energy package in America to fight climate change while reducing consumer costs for energy and some medicines. Democrats hope the bill's package will help the party's House and Senate candidates in the November 8 midterm elections, at a time when Biden is suffering from anemic public approval ratings amid high inflation. Conservative lawmakers have criticized the bill as wasteful spending. Please hit you now for a recap of tonight's headlines. Six patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today in the Central region. Tour to development sites in Northern Red Sea region. China announces new military exercises near Taiwan. U.S. Senate approves bill to fight climate change and cut drug costs. That was our news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.